Hello everyone, welcome back to Leytenia'Skitchenette. I have here a chicken steak, or we call in the Philippines, this is a chicken adobo, adobong manok. This chicken is mixed with soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, with paprika powder, garlic powder, black pepper, chicken powder or chicken bouillon, added with soy sauce and vinegar. Soak the garlic and onions and then add the chicken. This one is a chicken legs. So for best result, it's better you have to marinate it first with black pepper, garlic powder, paprika powder, with soy sauce, vinegar or lemon juice, and add the chicken bouillon or chicken powder and marinate it. It depends on how many hours you want to marinate. Then including the juice, you have to place put the marinated chicken in the pan and start the cooker or the what is this? So start to cook and then cook until becomes soft. So this one is already mixed. And look at here on the top, I put a decoration. This is parsley leaves or coriander leaves, and I added a sliced paprika, and this one also with added bay leaves and with also a ginger. So if you have a ginger paste or garlic paste, so you can add into this recipe. So in the Philippines, we call this one as chicken adobo. Look at this. Chicken adobo or a chicken steak. This is a chicken legs. Look at this. So this one, it needs little more, maybe 10 minutes more. So this will be ready. This one, I just added 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Since the chicken is already fat, look at this, it's already fat and have already more fat, so I just added only 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Look at this. So look at the extract oil from the chicken. This is from the body or from the skin. Look at this, more oil. So this is to be served with rice, and it is a very yummy if you will serve this one with the rice, especially the plain rice, the white one. So this green coriander is just for decoration only, and also this bell pepper. You can add many bell pepper. Then you can also add this one with potatoes. Add chicken steak with potatoes. Okay. I have here I boiled already my potatoes. So I will mix this one later when I am going to mix all this one when the chicken is ready. Okay. So this is how to cook the chicken adobo or chicken steak with tomatoes with soy sauce. So try to cook Filipino recipe. This is one of the best Filipino recipe, chicken adobo or chicken steak to be served with plain rice. Masarap yun, guys. Very, very yummy if you will eat together with this plain rice. You will need unlimited chicken or unlimited rice if you will eat rice and adobo. Okay? So this. So malinamnam. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. So we'll just turn it up so that it will cook completely. Yan. So look at the oil. Oh, this oil is a natural oil coming from the skin of the chicken. So if you don't want to have more fats, just remove the skin of the chicken when you are going to cook this one, so that it will minimize the fats. And guys, look at this. So I turn the other side so that it will also cook and will be covered with the soy sauce. So thank you for watching for this chicken steak, Filipino style. Adobong manok. We call this one adobong manok. This is the Filipino local food. Adobo means chicken steak. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Leytenia'Skitchenette. And click the notification so that you will be updated with all my new vlogs. Bye-bye. Bon appetit.